Tignan mo, tignan. Look. Was like the Bruno accident. I ran a vlogger test. Um, look. Oh, you use uselessly. I will not test those. Wasn't. Oh no. So the process of fall happening here. No. Naku. Siya nang yung dalawang siya nang dahilan ko bakit ay maniniwala ka sa inyong ginawa niya. What the hell? We cannot do. I no. The useless to tips. Yan ang tips na natin ni Idol. Okay. Look. Try this. What the hell? Ito yun ang ginawa na mga tao. Natumpar. Kuha ang sa CCTV dyan. Due to process accident. And due to process to accident, madaling araw ka nyo. Do'y tatatidi. Due to access. Career. Look. Nako. Tingnan mo yung sasakyan. Plate number 1AB9840. Toyota Vios accident. I know, 9848. Oh, kita mo yan? This is plate number 1AB489848 is in blue for Toyota Vios for accidentally. Okay, thank you so much mga idol. Subscribe for Ronel Mafia. Thank you.